arrived this morning when it was like pitch black dark still. But we're going to be trying to go fishing there by the estuary. Hopefully we can do a catch and cook, which I'm really excited about. And we're going to be looking at the mangroves around high tide now. So I'll be showing you guys all of that. How are you feeling, Papa?
I'm excited. I've never been here before, so hopefully we'll catch a fish. I hope so. Yeah.
Let's go do it. Here's all the snails that we saw from the board earlier. Oh, there's the mud skippers. Look at that. We made it here to the estuary. We had a little bit of an adventure going there because we saw these mud roads and things that the maps were taking us, and it wasn't even to the entrance of this place. We ended up having to follow the map ourselves to find the entrance, but we are finally here after a long adventure. Let's see if we can get lucky and catch some fish. Okay, after an up and down ride, we have finally found the spot that we are going to be setting up and fishing. Okay, we got some lines in. Also throwing in some paddle tails, trying what we can. But it's absolutely beautiful out here. Okay, first fish of the day, let's see. What do we got? Oh, is that a shad? What? Okay, we got a baby shad. There we go. Baby shad. Nice. Let's go release it. Oh, I'm happy. We can catch a big one and cook it.
Yes, we caught something.
Yeah. Now we know where the shad are.
Got another one.
Hey, my dad's got one.
Hey, we got a fish here.
Hey, my dad's got one.
I hope it's not going to bite the line off. If it's shad.
I think it's a shad again. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
They like this green.
Yeah. You might have to put the steel trace on, otherwise it might bite your line off.
Yeah, some shad in the water, some baby shads. Look how small this baby shad is. That's a good live bait.
Sean! Let's go! Oh, it feels like a shad again.
Hey, Nicole is on again.
Oh, it feels like a shad again.
Catching small shads today in the river. It's so much fun, Nicole.
Yeah. Oh.
That's feisty one.
Yeah, slightly bigger.
Little bigger, yeah.
That's a little slightly bigger.
Let's go.
Yeah, you have to measure it, maybe its size.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Way too small. Only 200 or 250.
Yeah, let's have a look. It's the biggest one for today. Yeah, it's like 250, 240,
240, it's supposed to be
300.
shad
Yeah.
there.
Okay, off it goes.
Release it, because it's too small. How long was it, Nicole? 230 mil? 240. Ah. Can we stretch it? Stretch it a little bit to come to 300. Off it goes.
Something biting on the line. Oh. I think it's on. I think so. Let's have a look. Eh. Oh, it's something different. Oh, it's the tigerfish.
Tigerfish.
Is it? Is it the curse fish?
Yeah, it's
A big one though. Okay, now we got these little things here.
Not easy. There
There we
you
go. Yo, and it keeps poking me.
go. Poking
There we go. Hopefully doesn't mean no other fish is gonna come out, but yeah, usually when these are out, no other fish bite. Off you go. Eh. My sister's got a fish on. Let's see what she's got. Maybe a shad, hopefully. A nice big one. Let's see, let's see. It's another one of those curses.
Well done, Annelinkie.
another two.
Yeah. I think those are the only ones that are going to be biting now. Okay, we're taking a little bit of a break with the fishing. And I want to go up this trail. See what all we can find. Yeah, with my mum. Got some different things. Yeah, I think the trail's up here. Oh, it's steep. Oh, I like these trails of the trees overgrowing. Have a nice view of the river up here. It's all good just now. I really want to see the mangrove kingfisher. What's that? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I wasn't expecting one to be so close. Have a nice little bench that you can sit on for nature lovers to enjoy the beautiful Dune forest. Charles and Julia Bota. It's quite cute.
Yeah.
What's that?
Tree.
Oh, I thought it's like a bird making that sound.
Tree.
Okay, we're gonna go see the river mouth. Oh, apparently there's crocodiles here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is where the beach connects to the river. Maybe my dad and I can bring a rod or two here and throw some bait in if the water isn't too shallow. This way. I can hear the beach the closer I get to the mouth. I think I must be close because it's getting very loud now. How far is this walk, goddamn? Okay, once I get there, I shall show you guys. I swear I have been walking for so long now, and it's starting to feel like something out of Blair Witch because things are starting to look the same. But it's probably just my mind playing tricks on me. Hopefully I'm gonna get to the mouth soon. But holy, I've been walking long. I have to be close now. All of these holes in the ground, there's water seeping out from underneath them. So I have a feeling I'm very close. Well, this seems to be where the trail ends. I'm not sure if this is where the mouth is or if it's just very high up and the trail goes further in somewhere. Yeah, I can have a look down here and see if there's still a trail. Oh. But it's kind of looking like this might be the end of it. Yeah, no, it's all just bush here. I don't think there is much else to this. Actually, there's a little bit of a walkway here. Yeah, well, this is interesting. Gotta walk through the water here now to try and get to the other side. There's a branch here that we can stand on. Oh shit, that is not stable though. Eish. Oh, I don't know if it's the best idea to walk through here. I think I'm gonna call it quits because this is a bit too much for me. I'm gonna go back. Oh. But that was an interesting experience. But holy, I don't think I can go through that. It's a little bit deep. Too deep for my liking. I have no idea what's in this water. Apparently there's crocodiles and I don't want any crocodiles sneaking up on me. So I think I'm gonna head back and see if I can meet my dad halfway. Here, I did not catch anything yet to cook, so I'm gonna make some force now on the braai. Still do have some lines in just in case the fish decide to bite. We're getting hungry now, so we're gonna make some force.
Best we can do. Catch a horse on Braai. It's an instant light braai.
Zit nie die ding is regtig.
That's a,
Velletjie op.
it's got like a piece of paper in it.
Okay.
There we go. Let's see how this turns out. Looks good. Like goed. Here's the final product. No fish. Just a lekker piece of boerewors on the braai by the river. Looks good, you know?
Okay.
Well, let's go. Go. Some lekker jalapeno sauce. What else have we got to put on?
Potatoes.
We got some potato salad. Here you go, Nicole. What do you think of it? Looks good.
Yeah, no, I'm hungry now. That's
Oh.
good.
Some of this stuff. Curry chili paste. It's not bad. You can try the jalapeno. This looks delicious. Let's try this jalapeno sauce, yeah. There we go. Annalene, how's your chow?
Nice.
Sorry?
Nice. Hey.
Monkey is a nuisance, yeah? Those freaking monkeys trying to steal my food.
See how you can get
Ah, there goes another one stealing it from a banner.
Got a fish. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's still on. Oh. It's a cob. I got a small cob. There you go. Look at that, a baby cob. I don't know. Off you go. Oh, there it goes. so cool. Okay, we got a fish. Let's see what we got.
Something underwater.
Yeah.
Good.
No.
I know, it's bad again.
Yeah, another shad. Got another shad, and the shad are back. Nice. Hopefully we can catch one at size. Oh. Yeah.
The line's in again.
There we go. Look at that, another shad. Nice. They're back. Let's go. Off you go.
Bigger one.
It feels like it.
Feels like a bigger one.
Okay, got another fish. Might be another shad. It might be another shad. Oh, another cob.
Cob. Okay. Hey, another cob.
Oh, nice. Yeah. This is our lucky rod for today because I'm catching all the fish off of this rod. Okay, second cob of the day. A little bit bigger than the last one.
So cute.
Go, Saki. Baby crab. Hey, baby crab. Baby crab.
We're still in winter time actually.
Look at that.
Yeah. Always a bit coast. South Africa, you always got the winter.
Baby crab. Hey, baby. So small. This. That's another cob.
Another small one.
Yeah. I didn't even realize it was on.
Sometimes you don't.
So it looks like, Nicole, the thing that works is a little circle.
Yeah, there you go. Another cob.
I'm getting all the babies today.
Yeah. Off you go.
Is it on? Hey.
That was a nice jump. Oh, come on, man.
The biggest tiger fish I've ever seen. Well, Nicole, at least you can call that your PB on tiger fish.
Man.
You want to go weigh it?
No.
Eh?
No, it's fine.
You want to go measure it?
No.
You want to kill it?
It's
Sure.
probably what's biting now.
Leave it.
Did you hear it just sounds going, ooh.
Yeah, it keeps on biting down on it. Yo. You can relax there. Relax there, baby.
Nothing fighting on this one though.
Something on. Another cob. Oh.
I didn't even know you had it.
No. They don't put up much of a fight once they're hooked. I thought it was a curse fish, like still biting onto it. Another cob. Catching a lot of them now. Off you go. So cute. Bye bye. Another fish on. Oh, look at that.
Jumping.
Yeah. Hey, it's a shad. Yeah. Oh.
Your first one on another rod, Dave.
Nice. There you go.
So cute. Another shad. And stretch. Go, go. Go. What you waiting for? What you waiting for?
There we go.
This was a good bite. Did you see this, Nicole? Nicole.
Biggest one we've got so far.
Yeah, that's my PB for the day. Personal best cop.
Yeah.
PBCB. It's a PBCB for the day. Yes, it took it well. Sure. They're getting bigger. It's a, that rod went like this. Joo, 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 joo. Here we go. Yeah. Go, Saki. Go. Off it goes. Just about to pack up, and there's Nicole catching one of our last ones. I can see it's on, Nicole. What do you got? What you got? Hey, shad. Well, Nicole, that's a PB for the most shad caught, the most small shad caught in one day. That's so cute. So Nicole, that's the last rod out.
Yeah.
That one there. The hopeful one.
was the one that's been ignored the most today.
Did you have a good time here?
I did. It was nice catching the fish today.
Yeah. It's nice and relaxing. It's calm here. Beautiful place to come to.
And it was windy as well.
Yeah. Alright. I would definitely tell people to come visit this place. It's nice and clean. It's a pity it's not a working estuary.
Just beware of the monkeys.
When you got food out, yes.
They're still here looking.
Looking, look. Yeah. Alright, well that's our last rod. We'll give it 5 minutes and then we must pack up. Sorry Nicole, we have to go.
Yeah, that is it for today. We are packing up and going to leave. But it was loads of fun. Absolutely stunning place. I hope you can come back here. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and we'll see you in the next one.